Let me remind you that forex trading is risky and may not be suitable for everyone or investor, since opinion, trade decision, market data are subject to change at any time. Your performance, good or bad, does not necessarily indicate your future success. Do not trade money you cannot afford to lose. Do not trade real money until you have a track record of success using a demo account. Seek knowledge from an expert or a mentor. Please stay cool and stay humble and focus on the long term. Yeah, welcome to JK Market. Today I want to take you through how to read the MT4, how to understand how to use the MT4 or the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Most of us, we hear of the MT4, but we don't know how to navigate through the MT4. So that's what we want to learn today. Okay, and then I want to let you know that before you start this trading, you need a broker, and the broker I use is just Forex. They have earned my loyalty and respect. You can look through the description. The links are in the description. You can create an account with them, and I believe they will earn your loyalty and respect as well. So now this is how the MetaTrader looks like when you log in. When you log in, most of the time you are not going to see all your currencies here. So you right click and move to show all. Then all the other currencies are going to show up. So here we have create a new chart. When you click on any of the currencies here, it creates a new chart for you. So this is the chart for pound JPY, but this is the zoom in and zoom out. So I'm going to zoom in. So you can see it represented in a bar chart. So this was what traders were using previously until they developed the candlestick in Japan. So this is the Japanese candlestick. And then we have the line graph. Okay, so those are the navigations. So those are the chart types here. So that's the chart type. Then here we have time. So you can see that there are different times here. So we have the 1 minute. So when you tap on 1 minute, it means that after every 1 minute a new candlestick will form. So we have 1 minute, we have 5 minutes, we have 15 minutes. So monthly. So one bar here is a monthly. It's a monthly bar. Okay. So this is a monthly bar for pound JPY. Okay. So now we have what we call the terminal, where you can see your active trade, you can see accounts, you can see your signal. Okay, so you can see that we have trade, exposure, account, news, alert, and all that there. So you see those ones in your terminal. Then we have the navigator, where you see your indicators. We have different kind of indicators in the MT4 that you can use. Then we have the new order. So if you want to place a trade, for instance, if you want to open an account too, you can right click on the pair and go to chart window, which is the same as the one I showed you. So this is my chart window. I changed here to candlestick and I zoom in. Supposing I want to place trade, I can just go to new order. So I can just go to new order, change my follow and stop loss, and then place a trade. We have the auto trader. If you are using an auto trader, you have to turn this on for the auto trader to work. And then we have different drawing tools. So this is a square or a rectangle. So you can use it to draw a rectangle. We have a trend line tool, which is here, that can be used to join 2 points together. So if you want to change the color, you double tap on it and just right click and go to trend line property. Then you can go to common and change your color. So maybe change it to color white, so you can see the trend line. There we have another support and resistance line, or a horizontal line. So that's the horizontal line, and then we have a vertical line. So all those things are in the MetaTrader. If you want to remove the grid, you can just click here, the grid line disappear. There is a shortcut way of placing trade. You just go to the top here, at that corner there. So I'll tap on it. You see that there is a shortcut way of placing trade there. Now we have how to move the chart. If you want to move your chart back, you turn this on and turn this off and move the chart back. You can see I can move my chart back. You just double tap and move it. If I want to move back to the current place, I'll just tap and it will move back. So all these things are drawing tools. We have Fibonacci. So this is the Fibonacci here. So if you want to use Fibonacci, it's in black. So maybe let me change the background. So you can right click and then go to properties. So I want to change the chart background, so I right click, then you go to properties. Then your properties, you have the full background, so I want a white background, or you can choose any background. Then the full color, I want a black there. Now I want my candlesticks, the bull candles to be green and the bear candles to be red. So then I want a period separator, so you go to common. Then you come to period separator here. So now you can see my charts have changed. So now you can see the Fibonacci that I've drawn. You can double tap and just press the delete button to delete it. This is the Fibonacci. So you can see it. Then we have this plus sign crosshair to measure the number of points or pips, and the price to locate a price. Okay, so that's for the MetaTrader. Now we have this one called template, where you save different kind of templates there. Okay, so you can equally save a template. When you click on template, then you can equally save a template there. Now all these things can be found here too. So you can see we have toolbar where you see the chart patterns and all those things. You have languages, you have the market watch, you have the navigator terminal, all in view. Then in insert, we have indicators, we have different kinds of lines here, we have channels, we have gun. All those things are tools that we use in the MetaTrader 4. And we have objects, the things that I've drawn. I can just click on delete last, then it will delete the last object that I've drawn. Okay, then we have, that's at the charts area. We have refresh, we have template, we have time frames, we have zoom in, zoom out. All those things are at chart. We have tools, how to place an order and all that, they are in tools. Then we have different types of windows here. So if you want the thing to appear vertically, you can just tap on it, then all the trade will appear in a vertical order. So you can easily just close the market watch and go there again, so that you can look at different kinds of trades on the same chart. Okay, so this is how simple the MetaTrader 4 template is. I would like you to click the like button, leave your comment and subscribe for other videos. I want you to look through the description, like all the handles there, join, follow, register with the reliable broker. The broker link is in the description. And thank you. Happy holiday and enjoy your day. Share.